Hey GadInsider crew, when was the last time you actually needed your wallet? Between Apple Pay, digital receipts, and photos all living on my iPhone, my wallet's basically just an ID holder. But here's the kicker, Apple's digital ID feature might let you ditch that wallet for good. Stick around to find out how it works, where you can use it, and if your state's on board. Let's get into it. Since iOS 15.4, Apple's let you add your driver's license or state ID to your iPhone's wallet app. Sounds like freedom, right? Well, not so fast. States have been super slow to roll this out. Back in 2022, only 2 states supported it, with a handful promising it was coming soon. Fast forward to June 2025, and we're still only at 9 states and Puerto Rico. Progress? Kinda. Here's the current lineup for digital ID as of June 2025. Arizona, California, Colorado, Georgia, Hawaii, Iowa, Maryland, New Mexico, Ohio, and Puerto Rico. If you're in states like Connecticut, Kentucky, or Utah, which promised support years ago, sorry, you're still waiting. But if you're one of these lucky spots, you're about to unlock some serious convenience. Now, don't expect to hand your iPhone to a cop during a traffic stop. This feature's got specific vibes. Right now, it's mainly for zipping through select airports and verifying your age at participating businesses like bars, liquor stores, or concerts. Apple teamed up with the TSA, and you can use digital ID at 14 airports, including big ones like LAX, Denver, and Atlanta. Just unlock your iPhone, tap it on the ID scanner, and your info like name, birth date, and ID photo pops up for approval. Smooth, right? Setting it up is a breeze if you're in a supported state. Open the wallet app, hit the plus sign, select driver's license and ID cards, and pick your state. Scan your ID, snap a quick face scan to verify it's you, and send it to your state for approval. You can even add it to your Apple Watch. Oh, and at businesses, just tap your iPhone against their device, double-click the side button to confirm, and you're good. No more fumbling your ID. So, is it time to ditch your wallet? If your state supports digital ID and you're flying out of a participating airport like SFO or Phoenix, you're this close to going wallet-free. But if your state's still dragging its feet, you're stuck with that leather brick for now. Either way, this is the future of ID, and it's pretty darn cool. GadInsider fam, are you ready to say goodbye to your wallet? Drop a comment. Does your state support digital ID yet, or are you still waiting? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss our next tech tip.